Ever found yourself staring blankly at your screen, subscription service open, realizing your card details are ancient history? Maybe your old card expired, or you just switched banks, or perhaps, like me, you're trying to avoid that awkward insufficient funds notification when your favorite show drops a new season. Today, we're tackling that very specific frustration, but for one platform in particular, Neon. Yes, we're diving into the nitty-gritty of changing your payment details on Neon so you can keep your binge-watching uninterrupted and your financial peace of mind intact. Let's be honest, navigating online payment settings can feel like trying to decipher a secret code. You click one button, and suddenly you're 3 menus deep, wondering if you've accidentally signed up for a lifetime supply of rubber chickens. But fear not, because I'm here to guide you through the process, step by step, making it as painless as possible. First things first, you'll need to access your Neon account. Whether you're on your laptop, tablet, or phone, open your web browser and head to the Neon website. Log in using your registered email address and password. Once you're in, the real adventure begins. Now, look for your account settings. This is usually found in a drop-down menu under your profile icon, typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a list of options. Among them, you should find something along the lines of account, subscription, or, most importantly, payment details. Click on Payment Details, and you'll be taken to a page displaying your current payment method. This is where the magic happens. You'll likely see an option to update payment details, change payment method, or something similar. Click on that button. You'll then be prompted to enter your new payment information. This might include your new credit or debit card number, expiry date, and CVV code. If you're using a different payment method, such as a digital wallet, you'll be guided through the specific steps required for that platform. Double-check everything. Trust me, a single typo can lead to a world of frustration. Make sure the card number, expiry date, and CVV code are all entered correctly. Once you're confident everything is accurate, click the Save or Update button. Now, here's a crucial step, verification. Neon might require you to verify your new payment details. This could involve a small temporary charge to your card or a verification code sent to your phone or email. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification process. Once verified, your new payment details should be successfully updated. You might want to take a moment to confirm this by checking your account summary or looking for a confirmation email from Neon. Now, here are a couple of extra tips to keep in mind. If you're experiencing any difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out to Neon's customer support. They're there to help, and they can provide specific guidance tailored to your account. Also, if you're switching to a new card, remember to update your payment details on any other subscription services you use. It's a tedious task, I know, but it's better than getting those dreaded payment failed notifications. Changing your payment details on Neon doesn't have to be a daunting task. By following these simple steps, you can ensure your subscription remains active and your viewing pleasure uninterrupted. Remember to double-check your details, verify your changes, and don't hesitate to seek help if needed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.